Hi and welcome to InfoCo channel. Cow's milk has an impressive nutrient profile. It's rich in high-quality protein and important vitamins and minerals, including calcium, phosphorus and B vitamins. In fact, 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of whole milk provides 146 calories, 8 grams of fat, 8 grams of protein, and 13 grams of carbohydrates. While it is an increasing global popular choice for many, some people can't or choose not to drink milk due to personal preferences, dietary restrictions, allergies or intolerances. Fortunately, there are choices to substitution to avoid cow's milk, and plant-based alternatives to cow's milk have been a thing for a while now, and the benefit of this trend is that there's something for everyone. Let's see what are the substitutes that are available in the market. Number 1. Soy milk. Soy milk is made with either soybeans or soy protein isolate, and often contains thickeners and vegetable oils to improve taste and consistency. It has a creamy, mild taste, and is the most similar in nutrition to cow's milk. However, the taste can vary between brands. It works best as a substitute for cow's milk in savory dishes, with coffee or on top of cereal. In terms of nutrition, soy milk is a close non-dairy substitute for cow's milk. It contains a similar amount of protein, but around half the number of calories, fats and carbohydrates. It is also one of the few plant-based sources of high-quality complete protein, which provides all the essential amino acids. 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of unsweetened soy milk contains 80 to 90 calories, 4 to 4.5 grams of fat, 7 to 9 grams of protein and 4 grams of carbohydrates. Number 2. Almond milk. Almond milk has a light, sweet, nutty flavor, and is low in calories, fat and carbohydrates. It can be added to coffee and tea, mixed in smoothies and used as a substitute for cow's milk in desserts and baked goods. Almond milk is made with either whole almonds or almond butter and water. It is one of the lowest calorie non-dairy milks available, and is a great option for those wanting or needing to lower the number of calories they're consuming.
What's more, almond milk is a natural source of vitamin E, a group of antioxidants that help protect the body from disease-causing substances known as free radicals.
On the other hand, almond milk is a much less concentrated source of the beneficial nutrients found in whole almonds, including protein, fiber and healthy fats. To make the most of the nutrients and health benefits of almonds, choose brands of almond milk that contain a higher content of almonds, around 7 to 15%. 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of unsweetened almond milk contains 30 to 35 calories, 2.5 grams of fat, 1 gram of protein, and 1 to 2 grams of carbohydrates. Number 3. Walnut milk. Walnut milk offers a creamy and flavorful milk option you need to explore for yourself. Walnut milk has a good source of fiber and antioxidants. Compared to other nuts, walnuts contain higher levels of alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 fatty acid, and vitamin E. They are also known to improve gut health, with a positive impact on several digestive issues. Walnuts are more abundant in antioxidants than most nuts, fighting free radicals and oxidative damage to the body. They also reduce harmful LDL cholesterol and contain anti-inflammatory polyphenols. This can decrease the risk of many inflammatory chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, diabetes. Walnuts contain melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone secreted by the pineal gland that regulates your sleep-wake cycle, promoting healthy sleep, which in turn supports healthy, alert brain function. 1 cup, 240 milliliters, contains 120 calories, 11 grams of fat, 3 to 5 grams of protein and 1 gram of carbohydrates. Number 4. Cashew milk. Cashew milk has a rich and creamy taste, and is low in calories, carbohydrates and sugar. On the downside, it contains very little protein, and may not be the best option for those with higher protein requirements. Cashew milk is made from a mixture of cashew nuts or cashew butter and water. It is rich and creamy, and has a sweet and subtle nutty flavor. It's great for thickening smoothies, as a creamer in coffee, and as a substitute for cow's milk in desserts. As with most nut-based milks, the nut pulp is strained from the milk. This means the fiber, protein, vitamins and minerals from the whole cashew are lost. 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of unsweetened cashew milk contains just 25 to 50 calories, 2 to 4 grams of fat, 0 to 1 gram of protein, and 1 to 2 grams of carbohydrates. Number 5. Macadamia milk. Macadamia milk is a relatively new milk to the market. It's made from macadamia nuts and has a rich, creamy taste. Macadamia milk is high in monounsaturated fats and low in calories and carbohydrates. Macadamia milk is made mostly of water and about 3% macadamia nuts. It's fairly new to the market, and most brands are made in Australia using Australian macadamias. It has a richer, smoother and creamier flavor than most non-dairy milks, and tastes great on its own or in coffee and smoothies. The low carbohydrate content also makes it a suitable option for people with diabetes or those looking to reduce their carb intake. 1 cup, 240 milliliters, contains 50 to 55 calories, 4.5 to 5 grams of fat, 1 to 5 grams of protein, and 1 gram of carbohydrates. Number 6. Oat milk. Oat milk is made from a mixture of oats and water. Oat milk has a mild, sweet in flavor. It is high in protein and fiber, and also high in calories and carbohydrates. Nevertheless, manufacturers often add extra ingredients such as gums, oils, and salt to produce a desirable taste and texture. Interestingly, oat milk is high in total fiber and beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that forms a thick gel as it passes through the gut. The beta-glucan gel binds to cholesterol, reducing its absorption in the body. This helps lower cholesterol levels, particularly LDL cholesterol, the type associated with an increased risk of heart disease. 1 cup, 240 milliliters, contains 140 to 170 calories, 4.5 to 5 grams of fat, 2.5 to 5 grams of protein, and 19 to 29 grams of carbohydrates. Number 7. Rice milk. Rice milk is the most hypoallergenic non-dairy milk. It is low in fat and protein yet high in carbohydrates. Rice milk is made from milled white or brown rice and water. As with other non-dairy milks, it often contains thickeners to improve texture and taste. Rice milk is the least allergenic of the non-dairy milks. This makes it a safe option for those with allergies or intolerances to dairy, gluten, soy or nuts. Due to its low protein content, rice milk may also not be the best option for growing children, athletes and the elderly. This is because these populations have higher protein requirements. Solely relying on rice and rice products is not advised, especially for infants, toddlers and pregnant women. 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of rice milk contains 130 to 140 calories, 2 to 3 grams of fat, 1 gram of protein and 27 to 38 grams of carbohydrates. Number 8. Coconut milk. Coconut milk has a creamy, milk-like consistency and a sweet, coconut taste. It contains no protein, little to no carbohydrates, and is high in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, a type of saturated fat. Coconut milk is made from water and the white flesh of brown coconuts. In fact, coconut milk has the lowest protein and carbohydrate content of the non-dairy milks. It may not be the best option for those with increased protein requirements, but it would suit those looking to reduce their carb intake. What's more, around 90% of the calories from coconut milk come from saturated fat, including a type of saturated fat known as medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs. Some research suggests that MCTs may help reduce appetite, assist with weight loss and improve blood cholesterol levels more than other fats. 1 cup, 240 milliliters, contains 45 calories, 4 grams of fat, no protein, and almost no carbohydrates. There are many varieties of plant-based milk in the market, and the benefit of each are depending on the brand and type. These milk substitutes can be sneaky sources of added sugar, so it's crucial to check labels before you swap out a dairy-based option for a plant-based one. So please be careful when you and don't be swayed by trendy marketing claims on packaging. What you want to look for in a product are at least 7 to 8 grams protein per serving, as few ingredients as possible, the word unsweetened and 0 grams added sugar, limited saturated fat, especially in ones made with coconut or added protein, less than 140 milligrams of sodium per cup, fortification with calcium and vitamin D, nutrients you're personally concerned about, like the omega-3s. We hope you have enjoyed and find the video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and share this video. To see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching.